Hey health buddies, it is Health First on Ravneet Bhalla's channel, your one-stop destination for all things healthy. How do you pop amaranth without burning it at home? Can you pop amaranth seeds like popcorn? Do you use oil to pop amaranth? Is popped amaranth healthy? I know you have been wondering how to puff amaranth at home. You enjoy popped amaranth during Navratri fasts, but have always wanted to pop rajgira at home. So Ravneet Bhalla presents the making of amaranth puff at home. To add to this video, I have another fasting recipe for Navratri coming soon. To begin with, rinse and wash amaranth seeds. You will also need to dry the seeds before popping so that there is no moisture. Now here I would like to mention a small fact about amaranth, which is a pseudo cereal. Ideally we need to soak the seeds to remove the phytate coating, which is toxic and can cause bloating and gas. Popping or sprouting will also help break the phytic barrier. So if you are puffing amaranth for upwas or fasting, try using pink salt or senda namak for this recipe. We use pink Himalayan salt during fasts because it is unprocessed and contains 84 trace elements. If you love all things amaranth, then do not forget to try out other amaranth recipes on the channel. That includes amaranth chapati or roti without potato that puffs just like a plain chapati. Now preheat the cooker along with salt for 5 to 8 minutes on high heat. You can take 1 cup of salt here. Drop amaranth seeds into the preheated cooker. Start stirring immediately. Please take a huge vessel or cooker or pot because amaranth will dance while popping in the utensil and you don't want the puffs to slap your face while popping, isn't it? Amaranth will puff like popcorn in no time in hot salt. This is the easiest way to pop amaranth and the safest too. That will prevent it from burning. So now you have learned how to pop amaranth easily and maintain a medium to high flame for popping amaranth. The puffed amaranth will be a little salty. You may combine it with potato salad or fasts or make cutlets with it. On other days, you may drop puffed rajgira on all types of salad and make cookies too. Sifting is important to separate puffed amaranth from salt. So how do you eat popped amaranth? Now next I'll show how to make delicious gluten-free, oil-free, refined sugar-free granola with amaranth for upwas or munching just like that. I hope you enjoyed this video on popping amaranth. If you did, please like, share and subscribe, and please don't forget to share it with friends and family and spread the word about healthy eating. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon.